Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I'm on board a beautiful Grady-White listing that just came available on brokerage. This one is a 2018 Grady-White 255 Freedom. Absolutely beautiful boat. Lots of great features. Super clean, low hours. Powered by a pair of 150 Yamaha 4-stroke outboards. Just under 240 hours on them. Just do a quick walkthrough and then highlight some of the best features this boat has. Quick look at the helm. Nice wide helm chair with the bolster. It's got Simrad electronics, Fusion stereo, VHF. Show you exactly how many hours. 238 on both. Switch panel at the dash, hydraulic steering, tilting helm. Upholstery's in great shape. This one does have a windlass up on the bow for the anchor. Fiberglass hardtop. Has the head on the port side console, vacuum flush. It's got a freshwater pump that gives water to the head as well as the freshwater sink in the cockpit. Plenty of storage everywhere, whether it's drawers, insulated fish boxes, fold down. Got designated storage inside the hardtop for your life jackets. Got battery switches back here, the live well. Beautiful colored hull. This boat is kept in the water, so it is bottom painted. Kept here locally, Wrightsville Beach. Freshwater shower on the transom. One of my favorite seats on the boat is this port side lounge. It's got a number of different positions that you can adjust it to. Again, down below you've got windlass control, your ignitions, your kill switch, windlass breaker, cup holders, great visibility through the windshield. We've got a walk-through to the bow area where you can close the door in inclement weather and shut the window. Keep you out of the wind and rain as best as possible. More controls for the stereo unit right here. As you can see, it's XM, Bluetooth capable. Built into the hardtop, you've got spreader lights, but you've also got the hardtop lights. The hardtop lights do red, white, and blue. Definitely a nice feature. You can see in some of the other photos on the listing, designated bow table. The post goes into the deck and the table fixes to it. Nice and clean. Insulated storage or your fish boxes if you're fishing. Very clean boat. Again, it's a 2018 with about 240 hours on it. This aft bench seat stows nicely if you are fishing and keep it out of the way. Got a walk-through transom door as well as a 4-step stainless swim ladder. Nice size splash well. You've got non-skid in between as well for if you need to walk along the transom. Powder coated hard top with rod holders on both sides, along with two in the back. You've got your engine flush system, quick connect, both starboard and port. Make it easy to flush the engines even if it is left in the water. Beautiful boat for fishing, cruising, hanging with friends and family on the water. You'll be very comfortable on this Grady-White. Guys, if you have any questions for me about this boat, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2018 Grady-White 255 Freedom. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.